In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear door opening support on your Hummer H3 located at the base of the rear door. Now here we have that opening lifts or opening support, and on the ends we have little metal retainer clips. Now you're going to use a pocket screwdriver, and there is a metal clip right here. You want to get underneath and gently pry upward. And what you're going to do is lift up that clip. Now once you get that off, you should be able to lift this up off of the ball stud here. Like so. I want to go ahead and do the same on the other end. It's the same thing. Just put your pocket screwdriver underneath and pry out that clip. Once you have that clip off, go ahead and pull that off. I'm going to go ahead and clean the ball studs. Go ahead and do both sides. Now you simply want to grab the end right here, line it up with the ball stud and push it up and on. And it pops right on. The retaining clip locks it into place. And you can do the same on the other end. Good, and rotate that head a little bit if you have to. And you might have to push that door just a little bit and snap it down. And at that point there, you're all set. You can go ahead and test it by opening and closing your door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.